Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you this Type-C adapter 8-in-1 USB hub. So I purchased this one from TikTok shop and it comes like this with this adapter, USB-C to USB-A. The brand name is Ace Magic 3.0 3.0. It's got the micro SD card and SD card reader. And this is for power supply, extra power supply, and this is type C. Like it doesn't quite work. So now I'm gonna swap it with the new one I purchased with the Ace Magic. So it just fell out. Okay, so I'm gonna plug it in here. And it's powered on. Now let's see only the USB. Oh, actually, let's test the voltages. $476. Oh, I have an extension. This cable is long. It's about 10 feet long, so probably it's losing a lot of power on it. So let's see this one. 475. 475. 475. Okay, this is constant. So now let me plug it in here. Okay. I'll try to sharpen this again. What? It doesn't work? Why? Interesting. Maybe this one. Why? Interesting. It does not work. So let me see what happened here. So I'm going to plug this back in again. And I'm going to plug this in the output here. So you're going to see the image upside down. So let's see. So basically it kills the power. Wow. Really? So I guess this one doesn't work. Let me plug it back in here into my old one here. Okay, let me turn off the light so that way it will not take so much power, and then I'm gonna plug it together like this. Turn it on. 457. So you see the power there. So it doesn't work through this. Maybe only for the computer for reading the USBs. I'm gonna make a video on that too. I purchased this from TikTok shop for $2.16. That's what it is. Thanks for watching. Please share. Bye.